Hello you beautiful people, I hope you're having a great day or night depending where you are in the world. Whether you're watching this with your friends, family, pets, everyone, welcome. My name is Aaron Large and in my last video I learned how to card spring. And to thank you for watching my video, I'm going to try and teach you how to card spring without dropping the deck of cards. Just call it. Just call it. Now first of all, what you're going to need is a deck of cards. Oh look, a deck of cards. I found it best to use a standard size deck. If you're using the bridge size deck, just put it down and get a standard size deck. And what I mean by that is that they're different sizes. I didn't know there was actually different sizes myself. Joker from the bridge size deck and the Three of Hearts from the standard deck. Slightly different. You can just see it there. In my opinion, that makes a big deal. So that's bridge, throw that away, don't need that. Get yourself a standard deck of playing cards. Poker size, it's pretty simple, just drop them. Alright, so you've got your deck of cards. Now, if it's a new deck, which I'm assuming it is, it's going to feel a little bit stiff. Definitely maybe for your hands if you've got smaller, well, more fragile hands like me. You need to focus on building up the strength, the bender cards. They'll usually wear out over time and be a little bit easier to do. This deck is like probably been used for a good 10 days, so they're pretty worn. Building the strength up in your thumb is the most important, and the muscle memory as well, because you need that fluent motion in your thumb like that. Yeah, you see that, how my thumb's doing that. Now at the start it's going to be a bit jittery because you don't have that motion yet. How you should grasp the deck of cards is like so. You take one finger, you put it on there, and then you can take another finger here and put it on there, and then your thumb should be in the corner here. Now the thumb is where the magic is going to work. Now I like to change my fingers out a little bit because sometimes it gets a little bit tiring on the fingers. I'm going to hold it here, and what you can do is let it come out of the thumb like that. Come out of the thumb like that. And over time, you keep doing it, it'll get better. Recommend just doing it close as you can, so you just get that motion. Just do that over and over again. If you like this video, or even if you learned to do this, just leave a little like or comment or both. You could even subscribe if you wanted to.